Alright guys, so my mom and I flew to Colorado to visit my brother who lives in Denver, and he asked if we wanted to go to the mountains to try snowboarding. I've always been too afraid to try snowboarding, but not anymore. It's the year of trying new things, and we are going to ace it. That's right, let's do this. Now I know what you guys are thinking. This girl is fully prepared to go snowboarding. You'd be wrong. I only have thermal socks that my friend Nina lent me. Thank you, Nina. And I have thermal shirt that my aunt lent me. Thanks, Aunt. And I have a jacket. That's it. So in other words, I have 2 red goggles, a helmet, snow pants, boots, and then I'm good. I got this. Let's go. As the pros say, spread the gnar, bruh.